Hello chaps, and welcome back to Tino Car Care, where I'll be showing you the top 10 biggest car wash mistakes you must avoid. Let's get started with mistake number 1, cleaning the bottom of the car and then the top. The lower portions of the car are always a lot dirtier than the upper portions. So if you clean the bottom first and take that same mitt up the car, you are potentially dragging that lower dirt and grime along to the top, causing swirls and scratches. What I like to do is finish the upper portions first, then use different pair of mitts to clean the lower portions. I would regard this area here, just below the door line, as the lower portion of the car. This brings us to mistake number 2. Never drop your mitt or towel and then use it on the car again. This is because the floor is full of rocks, debris, sand and dirt, which can cause major scratches to your car's paintwork. Just look as I demonstrate what it will do to our test bonnet, as it's full of scratches and swirls now. So now that we have seen the damage that can be caused by dirt scraping along the paintwork, let's move on to mistake number 3, not performing a proper pre-wash. Prior to making any physical contact on the car, you need to first remove the majority of the dirt that is already on the car. To do this, it is vital to perform a pre-wash. You can either use a snow foam or a pre-wash spray to loosen and break down the dirt before pressure washing it off. But that brings us to mistake number 4. Do not let any liquid dry and bake onto the car. For example, even if you leave tap water on a car to dry on a hot day, it will cause watermarks on the paintwork, which if left long enough will need paint correction to remove, which will be really costly. Mistake number 5. Using paper towels, rags or tissues. These have not been designed to be used for your car and can just cause damage. Microfibers are one of the best things in the detailing world. They are filled with hundreds of thousands of little fibers which trap the dirt, pulling it away from the surface. They have so many different uses. The Tino exterior cloth is soft, absorbent and perfect for use on the paintwork. The glass cloth gives you that streak-free finish on glass. The scrub pad effortlessly cleans the interior surfaces, getting into all of those pores and cracks. However, this brings us to mistake number 6. Do not wipe your car with a dry microfiber. As great as microfibers are, you will still need a form of lubrication to A. not cause scratches and B. properly clean the surface. If you repeatedly wipe a dry microfiber onto a dry paintwork, you can easily cause swirl marks, especially if you use some force. Just spray the cloth or the car with our exterior detailer and you'll be good to go. Mistake number 7. Using any oily, slippery or shiny product on your interior floor, pedals, steering wheel or gear shifter. Chaps, this is important. No protection or restoration products here, as you do not want your feet to slip off the pedal while driving. I personally use a Tino interior detailer as it does not leave a slippery finish behind. Factory fresh finish. Next up is mistake number 8, not keeping your equipment clean, mainly your mitts, microfibers and brushes. The reason for this is, if your equipment is dirty, how can you make the car clean? Also, dirty equipment can cause scratches too. So let's take a look at how we can clean our equipment. For your mitts, all you need is a small crate, such as which fruits are sold in. First, quickly clean the floor and then make sure the crate is clean too. Then place the mitts on top and pressure wash them on both sides. With your microfibers, it is best to clean them in a washing machine with heat less than 40 degrees. For the brushes, some APC and a bit of agitation will clean them well, and you can dry them with a towel. Mistake number 9 is being too aggressive on a soft top roof. The first things that can damage a soft top roof using a pressure washer is using it too close to the roof. Secondly, do not use a very stiff bristle brush. It is best to gently use a softer bristle brush such as those used for cleaning leather. Finally, mistake number 10, letting the vacuum hose touch your car. The vacuum hose scrapes along the ground and collects dirt and grit, so letting that get onto your car will only make the car dirty. A top tip to avoid this is by holding the hose in between your legs, like so. This stops it from touching the car. Bonus mistake number 11 is not subscribing to Tino Car Care. We bring you the best tips, techniques and most satisfying videos to help you clean your car to perfection. But anyways chaps, I hope you have found this video helpful. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe and here are 2 more videos I think you would like.